Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a 6-inch disc LED recessed light. First thing you want to do is turn off your breaker so you don't shock yourself. And this particular one that I have is mounted in with a mount, so you just need to pull the actual disc down and then the wire nuts are revealed. So go ahead and take off the wire nuts. And then what you want to do is then you can unravel the wiring from the box. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take this bracket off. So it's just 2 screws, 2 Phillips. So go ahead and undo that. Then we can get started on putting the new disc in. So I'm going to take that out. So if you can use the disc screws to mount, use that. But my particular one we can't. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So first we want to hook up the wiring. So black on black. So the hots go together. And then, of course, same thing with the white neutrals. So put these wire nuts on as tight as you can. Don't be chintzy. And you want to make sure that you yank them after to make sure they don't come off and they're not loose. Because if you yank them and they come off, then you need to redo it and make sure they're really tight so you have a good, clean connection, good, solid connection. So ground is the green-yellow with the copper wire. Once we've done that, then you can go ahead and shove all these wires into the box here. And for this particular disc, I'm going to basically just use drywall screws and put it into the drywall. So here's the first one. Put that in and then go ahead and just twist it in. Again, if you can use the box, the mounting bases from the box, use that because it's more secure, but I didn't really have a choice. So we're going to go with the drywall screws. So go ahead and put that in. Put in the other side. And then if you notice in the next clip here, the side on the left is kind of sagging a little. It's because the drywall I think it was messed up there. And it didn't really the drywall screw didn't really grab the drywall. So I probably need to relocate that screw at some point. Then all you need to do is put the cover on. So put it on and you see the little brackets there. Twist counterclockwise. And then you're pretty much done. So as you can see that left side is kind of falling. So I kind of need to fix that, but this is doable. It's workable. Go ahead and put your breaker back on and then let's just test the light. So turn the light on, it's working. And there you go. So that's how you do that. So hope that helped. Let me know if you have any comments below and thanks for watching.